What shall I be getting today? Nope. Oh, that is nice. I wonder which Rolex I'll be getting this time for all this profit. Oh, today I'm going to show you how I made almost £4,000 profit in just 4 days from this crazy coronavirus bull market towards the end of March. So stick with me and I'm going to share my story with you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Family Investment. My name is Alex Ko and thank you for joining me today on this video on how I made almost £4,000 profit from this freakish bull market towards the end of March during the coronavirus saga. The actual amount is 3,826 and 29 pence. And I was completely joking about buying Rolex. To be honest, you can't even buy a Rolex at £3,800. I'm going to be holding this money, holding cash. But today I'm going to explain to you what I've bought, what I've done, and what I'm going to do next. The two stocks that I made profit was just two stocks, yeah? It was basically Legal & General and Shell. For Legal & General, I made about 30% profit. And Shell, I made about 20% profit. Yes, the shares of those companies actually rose 20-30% for these two companies within the great span of just 4 days between the period of 24th of March to the 27th of March. How the heck did it happen? Oh well, let me explain to you. On Monday the 23rd of March, the futures were showing that the American, the UK economy was on a meltdown. They were going so low from its peak. They were coming to close to 40%. They were so close on hitting the actual market recession for both UK and the US market. And then things changed. And then there was a swing upwards towards Monday to Tuesday because the ECB started pumping in so much money into the economy, trying to save the economy in Europe through this very difficult coronavirus market. And then at the same time, the US were rumored about $2 trillion that Donald Trump was going to be putting in, even before full announcement. And then the market started stimulating, it started feeling really good, and all the trending showed that it was at the bottom late on Monday afternoon. And what happened next? It just went rocketing up. So on the Tuesday morning, I was looking at the stock market and I decided to buy the obvious Shell and Legal & General. And then the market just went up freakishly 10%, 20%, 10%, 20%. Eventually on the Friday when it started dropping off. And on the Friday I thought, oh, it's time to sell. So I sold this at a profit. Legal & General about 30%. Shell about 20%. So let me show you the spreadsheet. Let me bring out the spreadsheet. For my stocks and shares ISA, I use Hargreaves Lansdown. Not ideal, high fees. I could have made more, but I got eaten up by fees for quite a bit. But hey, I had to do it to take profits. So there's 4 accounts. I'm going to show you 4 accounts how I made this profit. It's basically myself, my daughter, my son, Prince, Princess, and my queen, my missus, my wife's money account. So 4. Now, I've always been a big fan of Legal & General and Shell because of their dividends. You know, great dividends. Increasing dividends for Legal & General, and also Shell has never cut the dividends since World War II. So if you look at my portfolio, which is mine, from Legal & General, I made £796 and 28 pence. And then from my Shell, I made £540 and 67 pence. That's around about 278 Shell shares. Buy, sell, within the span of 4 days, I made about £1,336 and 95 pence. And then on the next one, for my princess, my daughter, I bought her Legal & General shares on the 24th and sold on the 27th. The profit was £642 and 7 pence. Quick turnaround profits, let's grab it. Let's set this aside for cash. And then for my prince, my son, my dear son, I bought him BP shares. Sorry, not just Shell. I bought him BP shares, and I did a quick turnaround as well within the span of, the same week. £345 and 65 pence was the profit made. Grab the profit, keep it aside. And then falling on my dear good old wife, my real boss, Shell and Legal & General again. For Shell, £620 50 pence profit. Legal & General, a hefty 881 and 12 pence profit. So altogether it's 1,501 and 62 pence. So in total, if you look at the next slide here, the next slide, the accumulation, the total of all four of us within the span of 4 days, 3,826 and then 29 pence. That's one of my quickest 4 days. And in fact, this is not trading. I generally wanted to buy Shell and I generally wanted to buy Legal & General. But it was rising so fast, it's really freakish. It's not normal. For Shell, for example, the oil price is still staying low at $22, $23 a barrel. And with Shell rising up to 20-25%, oil price hasn't really gone up. So there's no real reason why it should be shooting up. So that's why I sold, and thinking that it will come down and then I'll buy it again when it's low. Legal & General dropped really drastically, almost 40 to 50%. Okay, the real reason, and you're saying that yes, you'll be an issue, but this insurance company, Aviva, Legal & General, Prudential, they have got good cash holding. And also another great investor always told me, Mr. Warren Buffett, he's been buying insurance company for the last 4 decades. Regardless of whatever crisis or regardless of whatever problems, insurance company will always still be there because it's mandatory. It's mandatory that you need to provide life insurance, pension, and this is mandatory. So whatever ups and downs, always buy low, sell high. I'll still buy Legal & General. With this coronavirus, very unfortunate. And I wish it would go away tomorrow or today even, but it wouldn't. It's still a long way to go for us in Europe and a long way to go for the guys in America. So hopefully all of you watching there, stay safe. Again, I said the bottom is not here yet. It's still going to be in for a long journey. If you live in the UK and looking for a UK stocks and shares ISA broker, please do check out Hargreaves Lansdown. It is what I use and I recommend it to you and your family. I use it for my wife, my kids and everyone building our wealth portfolio. And it's amazing, high security, very intuitive and very great knowledge learning platform. Click on the link below to sign up today, free of charge, and build your journey today. Alright, welcome back to part 2 of the video. I think this is important because I'm going to share you my strategy. If you find it useful, then feel like and subscribe on my video for more future videos like this that I'm going to share, storytell my journey. Okay, so, and what is my next step? You know, obviously Shell, BP, Legal & General are always my long-term game, my long-term stocks. But for the time being, I think it's going to be swinging. You know, guys, it's swinging. People are making profits. Why don't we make profit as well? So I've came up with a chart today. I'm going to share this chart with you. Okay, this is chart which I've written. This is my personal chart. I thought I'd share this with you. Why hide information when you can share it with the world and just share with everybody else? So as you can see here, this is a chart that I've left on my wall. I've taken it down just to share with you guys. I hope you can see this. If not, you know, I'll leave a link below. So this chart here, I will take a snapshot and put on my Facebook page because it's easier to update my Facebook channel. My Facebook page where I'll update anything change, I'll update. So if you want, follow and like on my Facebook page as well. It's Mumuku UK, should be up here. Click and join, and every time I show some updates a lot quicker, I do it almost on a daily basis. And then you can grab this information. Okay, so hopefully you can see this. So for the UK, US, I'm still trying to pen what I'm going to put in. So for this swing investment, okay, for Shell, this is the buy side and this is the sell side. And this is the gain which I think you can capture. This is the trending I've put and this is my quick summary. So I've got Shell, Legal & General, Glencore, Reckitt Benckiser, BP, Greggs, the Greggs Hot Pies, and Avast, the security software company. So from Shell, I've been looking at the trending since oil is still low. So Shell and BP should be the same. Because the oil is low, it's depending on the oil, that's how the oil price will be going up. Shell will be a good buy at £10.80. And there will be a good sell at £13. Okay? And within this small margin, there's a quick 20% profit there. So Shell, £10.80 and sell is about £13. And for BP itself, £2.45. £2.45 is a good buy and sell £3.30. That's how I see the trend that's been swinging in and out. So I think it will still happen over the course of weeks, but this tracker, I will change it again on my Facebook page, or hopefully in future, if I find any more profits, I'll share this video with you. So now back on course again. Legal & General, 146, buy and sell at 200. Glencore, a great mining company, 110 and 135 selling. £1.10, £1.35 for Glencore. So Glencore, the debt has increased. I'm not sure whether they're going to cut the dividend or not. They're still really risky. So the margin for Glencore is 22%. But it could go lower. And then Glencore, I've seen in the past, it swings really hard as well. So when they swing, they do swing. There's lots of bull and bear tug of war. So if you like those swinging, Glencore will be the one that I'll be dipping my toes in. And then you go Reckitt Benckiser. Reckitt Benckiser is a strange one. When everybody goes down, Reckitt Benckiser goes up. Because of the sales in Dettol and maybe Durex condom, I don't know. Every time when the market goes down, Reckitt Benckiser goes up. Every time everybody goes up, Reckitt Benckiser goes down. It's really strange if you check the trend. So I would buy at £5.56.50 and sell it at £6.61. A small 7%. Okay, but the great thing is if I buy it low, I can't sell it high. I'll keep it because of great dividends, because they're going to be making lots of money from Dettol and Durex. So the next one will be Greggs. Greggs, another good company to own as well. £13 to buy, £16 to sell. It will start swinging. You know, the shops are still not open yet. You know, Greggs are not selling anything. But why are these swings going up and down? I don't know. You tell me. The shops are not open. Everybody's closed. No one's buying pies. No one's buying the awesome vegan sausage roll pie. But yet it swings up and down, up and down, up and down. So why don't we play with the swing? And then Arvas as well. Huge swing, about 42% for Arvas. £2.80 and £4. It's a huge swing. Again, maybe some people think that software security is not the game now. That's why it's dropping. Or maybe some people think... I really don't know how coronavirus is affecting Arvas, a software company. It's a company that should be making money because everybody's working from home. So I don't know where this swing is coming from, but you can take advantage of the swing. And one thing I would like to add with all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 companies, these are companies I would own outright. These are companies I will buy low and hold. Even if you bought them low and you forgot to sell them when it goes up, you still can hold them because of great dividends, because of great quality United Kingdom companies. Most of them, in fact, all of them except Greg are all international companies. But Greg is a well-loved company by everyone. Everybody loves Greg. So I'll buy this company. Even if I miss selling at a good high, I'll keep it. I'll buy more. If I want to make quick profit, I sell it and then rebuy again. Even if I bought it high and it starts going down, rocketing up, I'll still hold it. These are the companies I would hold. But in the meantime, I'm going to swing invest. Why not? Why not take advantage of the market when those bankers and traders are just manipulating this market? Sometimes I feel they're manipulating this market, and then, you know, I do not want my hard-earned money to be taken as profit to them. So let's do it. So this is my plan. I'm going to share on Facebook again, Mumuku UK. So sign up, join me. It's Facebook. It's free. It's a Facebook page. Join me on my journey and see what I do and see what everyone else is speaking and sell on my Facebook page. So I hope you find this useful. I don't know what's going to happen next week. Oil might be breaking below $20. It might be losing ground, or oil might be picking up in April when the OPEC meeting kick in place again. Who knows? And all I want to hope is every one of you watching be safe. Hope your family are safe as well. And hope this coronavirus goes as soon as it can. You know, we're all locked up in here, working from home. We're all locked up. The kids are all locked up. They're all crazy, jumping and shouting every day. As long as everyone's healthy, that's all I want from you guys. So take care. Click like and subscribe. Share this video if you like. Leave a comment below if you want to chat. You know, I'm always here to help, and I'm always here to listen to your ideas as well. So take care, guys. Have a good day. Bye.